how to use TubeBuddy to get views on YouTube. It is free keyword research tool for YouTube and it's helped a lot of small YouTubers to grow very fast and get a lot of views and thousands of subscribers. So if you are interested in that topic, please keep watching. TubeBuddy, it's a free Chrome extension that you can download on your PC or your phone. Very helpful tool that will give you a lot of tips. It has a lot of functionality that I will show you on this video. It has a bunch of helpful tools that help you to grow your YouTube channel. So as you can see, all of these tools will help you really to make a lot of growth, a lot of subscription and views for your YouTube channel. They have added recently Koba Center. You can check your YouTube videos to see if Koba videos are compliant. Keyword Explorer, that I will talk a lot of it. So it is where you can discover a lot of great keywords to rank your videos and your YouTube channel. Thumbnail generator. Thumbnail is the main factor of YouTube success. So if you want to design very attractive thumbnails also, you can use this tool. Video API testing. You can do some test process with your thumbnails, titles, tags and description. So if you want to do some split test with your thumbnails, with your titles, with your descriptions, it's very helpful tool to get a lot of success with it. So all of those tools are what make this tool very great. Most important part of all of this tool is using Keyword Explorer. Let us see how we can use that tool. For example, I did research on Google Keyword Traffic tool, and these are the results I have seen. That this keyword is good to use to rank. It shows me all of this summary, which they show you that the search is fair and also it's very good side of competition. These are the videos I'm competing with if I am targeting this keyword. Especially good news, all of these results, as you can see, are not related directly to this keyword. Sometimes they are not exact match. This video I have shot on this, I'm ranking on it. So I am the first result. This title gets over 22,000 per month search, and I'm ranking on that title. In general, when it's good or it's very good or sometimes excellent, this will be fantastic to use. So the other thing is they show you here some related tags that you can use also. Sometimes this title you have searched might not be the exact one you want, so you can select which one you want. So as you can see, you can use all of these alternatives if it is related direct to your main keyword. They say I'm competing with over 200,000 results, but in reality, if we check on this, my video is the first result. If you look and check the results, you'll find this is my video ranking as a first result. More than 22,000 people are looking for the exact match. Is only my video is the exact match. So in that way, I can get a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs, because I am the first result. 2 of my videos are ranking in the first 5 videos. That is a lot to me, and it also will be a lot for you if you use this tool. It will be helpful to you to rank and to get a lot of views, a lot of success with it. So the other thing it will give you is, on this case, it's good according to my specific to my channel. For general, it's good. So both ways I'm getting opportunity. I knew that I will rank on this video and I will get a lot of eyeballs because of targeting this TubeBuddy pricing. For example, if you are using for free, they give you some functionality. You can do those basic keyword research, but if you wanted to use this tool for further benefit, also you need to upgrade it. So it doesn't cost you that much. First, or the pro one, which is the natural, if you are new channel to start with, it's $9 per month, and also the star one, which is $19 per month. So if you have, you can say also to get some discount. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can say I have 1,000 subscribers, so they will give you discount for 50%. So it costs you only $4.5 per month to really do that. If you don't want to pay any money on it, you can test with a free account, which is fantastic. I've been using for a while but then later I decided to upgrade for the Pro. So that is TubeBuddy that will help you to grow very fast on YouTube, to get a lot of views and subscribers. If you get some benefit from this video, please subscribe the channel, stick with me. Thank you for watching, see you soon.